Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix error 1719 Windows installer service could not be accessed, then let's look at the options or solutions. The first solution would be is to restart or start the Windows installer service. So for that we need to go to services, click on services and look for the Windows installer service. Here it is. Right click on it and click on start, or if it's already started then restart, and this should solve the issue. Now if that doesn't work, then we need to unregister and re-register Windows installer. For that we will go to command prompt, right click, run as admin, yes, and we need to input the command msi ex ec space slash unregister. So msiexec space slash unregister, click enter, and that will unregister the Windows installer. Now to re-register it, we have to go to command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we again have to type msi exec space slash register, and press enter, and that should re-register Windows installer. The third and final option is to run a system file check scan. For that we need to run the command prompt as administrator, and we enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. This should fix the error problem for good. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.